110 ultra-narrow window. Installation tutorial. Unpacking the door frame. Embed the door frame into the doorway. Drive in the screws according to the pre-drilled holes on the door frame. Clear the threshold gravel. Remove the wooden frame of the protective glass. Place a wooden stick under the glass to protect it, and to facilitate lifting and installation. Embed the glass into the door frame. Remove the glass suction cup. Next, install the casement windows and bottom hung windows on both sides. First, simply secure the top and bottom hinges. Tighten all the screws with an electric drill to reinforce. Install bottom hung windows. When fixing, you can tighten the screw in the topmost hole first for easy adjustment. After adjustment, tighten all the screws with an electric drill to secure them. Align the screen window with the pre-drilled holes and tighten the screws using a 4mm hex screwdriver. The finished product after installation.